Is it working now? We should be back up, chat. We should be back up. Refresh, refresh, chat, refresh.
I think when I was doing this, I knocked it loose. Girl.
We're good. We are back. I think we're back. Hello, 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 hello. Thanks to May for the resub. We are about to add some hot to the sake. Yes. So this is what we're doing today, but we're doing it from scratch. Chat, hello. Everybody,
Hello.
it's UGHEVA,
What's
literally.
up? What it do?
UGHEVA.
What it do?
Wi-Fi.
You did?
Yeah, it disconnected. Hold on, sorry, chat. Okay, hold on, chat. Important work message.
Okay. One large egg plus one egg yolk. So 2 eggs, basically.
Tamay said hello.
Hello. What's food trying to say? Sorry.
We did not understand what you said.
I have food in my mouth.
That's unpleasant.
And vanilla. With
Vanilla, yes.
So much vanilla. What is this imitation vanilla we have? Alright.
I'm doing great. How are you doing, UGHEVA?
I'm well. I just got off work. How y'all doing? I work for old people. So, not a nursing home or anything.
I'm a little worried about the connection here.
For real?
Let me just check.
Not a nursing home or anything.
Okay, it seems fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Three slices of chicken.
I'm gonna go ahead and taste this one.
What did it do?
There we go.
Like it's an iced. What if I try to serve it?
It burns their flesh off. Can we crank up the heat to see it?
Yeah.
I'm curious about this Himalayan salt.
Okay. So, and we have these cute little colorful things.
It's cute. It's like scientific.
Galactic flour. So it's 2.5.
Must add the flour. 2.5.
Do what my ancestors did.
What are you talking about?
Just saying that we baked. Oh Jesus.
Everybody's ancestors baked.
Well, mine's baked.
What do you mean, like?
We baked. We came up with cakes and shit.
That's okay, we have hot soccer. Oh, chat. Chat.
Remember when we made Ed Sheeran?
We're gonna make suckers in the oven, you know what I mean, chat?
Yes. We had Popeyes.
Red beans and rice.
Like it's supposed to stay piping hot throughout the whole time. Okay. Did not finish. That is way too less of flour. See if I
Way too less flour.
Wait.
I need to take a sip of this.
Hell yeah. Hold on, this is sake. I don't think it's ready.
It's not ready.
Are we taking shots of it?
You know how much I love this. Yeah, we could do shots of hot sake.
Hot ass sake.
Jumping. Ah, why is it bad?